Welcome dear students. Let's solve chapter 13 of class 4 and the chapter is all things bright and beautiful. Number 1. Answer these questions. A. Who made all things bright and beautiful? Answer. God made all things bright and beautiful. B. What did God make for the bird? Answer. God made wings for the bird. C. Where do the rich men live? Answer. The rich men live in castles. D. What is the use of eyes for us? Answer. We see with our eyes. E. Where do the tall trees grow? Answer. The tall trees grow in the green wood. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is write true or false. A. Creatures are great and small. True. The mountain is blue-headed. False. Because the mountain is purple-headed. C. Lips are to pray and thank God. True. D. Birds have no wings. False. Birds have wings. E. We have eyes to hear. False. We have eyes to see and we have ears to hear. So it is false. The wind is cold in winter. True. Now we should come to question number 3. Question number 3 is match the columns. 2 columns are given. One column is for quality and another column is for things. Answer is given here. Little birds, Almighty God, tiny wings, pleasant summer, glowing colors, purple-headed mountains. Now question number 4. Divide the given words in 2 columns. Some words were given and 2 columns were given. One column is God made and another column is man made. So words have been divided into God made and man made. Here answer is ready for you. God made. Tree, forest, river, star, mountain, lake, earth. Man-made, table, pen, radio, car, swimming pool, aeroplane, mobile, television. Now question number 5. Write the group name of the following. Some words of same groups are given here and we have to write the group name of those words. A. Father, mother, brother, sister, son. These all words show relation. So group name for these words are relation. B. Mango, banyan, neem, teak, guava. These all are the names of trees. So group name is tree. C. Coat, frock, jacket, cap, shirt. These all are dress. So group name is dress here. India, Nepal, America, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. These all are countries. So group name for these words is country. Ramayana, Gita, Mahabharata, Quran, Bible. These all are religious books. So name for the group is religious book. cricket, football, hockey, badminton, tennis. These all are the name of games. So group name is games. Group name is given here in red letter that you can see. And question number 6. Complete the grid with suitable letters. There is a grid here, and it has been completed. There was blank somewhere, like tree, star, sun, moon, bear, bird, god, and the words that those were created here, written here: star, tree, sun, moon, bear, bird, and god. Thank you. Have a nice day.